Hello students, good morning. Students, as you know, we have learnt the topic the clauses in detail, and now we should learn how to transform the sentences, into complex one. Okay, transformation of sentences. The topic is transformation of sentences, and this topic also relates to the topic the clauses. So now in this lecture we would like to learn the methods of transforming the sentences. Topic is here. The clauses. Transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences. Okay. Now I would like to write you some sentences, and I will also teach you how to convert the sentences into complex one. So first of all, I would like to write here some examples for you. Heading will be, here will be question, transform, transform the following sentences into complex. Ones. Okay, so I write here the sentences. Sentence number first. Okay. What do you plan in 3 hours? Let me know it. I would like to write here the answer. Okay, but first of all I would like to write the questions only. Then I will teach you how to change the sentences. Which clause we would like to use here in putting these two sentences into a single one. This is the pair of sentences. So now the second one is here. Gautam is my fast friend. His father is a teacher. I would also like to write answer here, explaining the term for you. Again I tell you that first of all I am to write here the sentences. Okay beta. The next one is here. Kapil does not feel well. He will have to take medicine. Medicines. Okay. I would like to write the answer. Next statement, fourth, will be here. Sarla sang a sweet song okay. Sarla sang a sweet song she was given a prize. She was given a prize. Okay. I would like to write answer here. And the fifth one is here. You are a sincere student. Everybody knows about you. I would like to write this statement answer here. Bete, listen to my voice very carefully. The topic is very important. Okay, this the topic will surely appear in the question paper in an examination. The name of the topic is the clauses. Now, since we have learned the topic, the clauses, right from the first clause, the principal clause, till the last one, the subordinate clause, and all the parts of the topic, the clauses, have also been discussed by us in the last 6 lectures. And now in this lecture, I would like to teach you, or we are going to learn, you may say we are going to learn the methods of transforming the sentences to the sets of sentences into single ones. So here are, as you can see, here are 2 sentences. The first sentence here, what do you plan in free hours? What do you plan in free hours? Okay, खाली समय में आप किस प्रकार की योजना बनाते हैं? Let me know it. मुझे इस बात की जानकारी चाहिए, मुझे इस बात की जानकारी लेनी है. So now हमें इसको सिंपल स्टेटमेंट में बनाना है. The statement is to be converted into simple one. वैसे ये कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनेगा, क्योंकि कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस बनाने के लिए बेटे when you add any 2 statements into a complex one, you will have to use the subordinating conjunction, the subordinating clause. So here are 3 kinds of subordinating subordinate clauses, namely the noun clause, which is also known as the that clause that clause, and the second one the adjective clause, and the third one is adverb clauses. Okay, so now it depends on the nature of these 2 statements whether we should use here the noun clause or the adjective clause or the adverb clause. So now first of all you should read the statement as written by me here. The first statement is here, what do you plan in free hours? So this the statement is interrogative, and the next statement is imperative. Okay, so now as we learnt here in the first part of the subordinate clause, in the noun clause, that noun clause works as a subject. Noun clause works as a subject to the verb, as an object to the verb, as an object to the preposition, as an as an object, as an complement to the verb, and as an apposition. Okay, so now this the statement can't be connected using the adjective clause, because in adjective clause we use who, whom, whose, which and that, because these the 5 words which are known as relative pronouns, okay, are mainly used in combining any 2 statements into single one, complex one, okay, with the use of in adjective clause, as an adjective clause. So now here we want to connect these 2 statements using the noun clause. So as I had told you that the second statement is to be replaced to the first one, and the first statement is to be replaced to the second one, and we will have to connect these 2 statements, okay. But the statement already starts with an interrogative pronoun, so there is no need to use any other conjunction here, okay. So this the conjunction will also work as a noun clause. So the answer will be here, let me know. Bete, when you find this the word it, or you find here the word this, that, about it, about this, it, this, that, it, this, that, about it, about this, something, somebody, okay, like this at the end of the statement. So while combining these 2 statements you will have to drop it out. आपको बेटा इट शब्द को क्या करना पड़ेगा, हटाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो आपकी स्टेटमेंट ठीक बनेगी नहीं. तो let me know, the answer will be here, what you. Now the statement is written in simple present tense, so you will also use the same tense form here in this statement as already used in this interrogative statement. As you can see here, the statement is formed in present indefinite tense, so you will also write your answer present indefinite tense, but you are not allowed to put the same statement as it is written here, okay. No, you will have to convert the statement into simple one, affirmative statement. So how can we change into affirmative? We will have to omit the helping verb, auxiliary verb here, okay, which is used there in this interrogative statement. So let me know what you plan in 3 hours. Full stop. For example, I give you one more example or many more examples like this. Where are you going? What are you doing? Where do you stay here? Why are you struggling with each other? Okay. When did you go there? Whom did you meet? Okay. So now these all statements, who broke the glass? And now the second statement will be here. Kindly tell me, let me know it first. Nobody knows about it. Okay. I want to know. Can you tell me? So this kind of statement can be given to you. So now the second statement is to be replaced here. देखो जब इस प्रकार की कोई 2 स्टेटमेंट दिखाई पड़ती हैं जैसे कि आपके सामने लिखी हुई है, तो मैंने और भी बहुत सारी स्टेटमेंट मौखिक बोल के बताई हैं. आपको ऐसी कोई भी स्टेटमेंट मिल जाती है. जैसे एक स्टेटमेंट मिलती है, वेयर आर यू गोइंग, ओके, वेयर आर यू गोइंग, मे आई नो अबाउट दिस. सो अब कैसे जोड़ोगे बेटा, मे आई नो अबाउट दिस को हटा दीजिए. डोंट यूज दिस 2 वर्ड्स in your answer. May I know where you are going? Okay, what is this? Can you tell me? So can you tell me what this is? It will be the answer. What is your name? Everybody wants to know about your name. So about your name जो 3 words लास्ट में लिखे हुए हमें ड्रॉप करने पड़ेंगे. आपको क्या लिखना पड़ेगा, everybody wants to know what your name is, because the statement is to be changed into affirmative one. So I would like to give some exercises also, okay, but first of all I tell you here how to change the second statement here. Gautam is my fast friend, his father is a teacher. गौतम मेरा पक्का दोस्त है, उसके पिताजी एक अध्यापक है, शिक्षक है. अब आप कैसे जोड़ोगे, गौतम जो मेरा परम मित्र है, गौतम ओके, जिसके पिताजी एक अध्यापक है, मेरा परम मित्र है. गौतम जिसके पिताजी एक अध्यापक है, मेरा परम मित्र है. जिसके के लिए बेटा हुज लगता है, हुज, WHOS, हुज. हुज का मीनिंग क्या बताया मैंने, जिसका, जिसकी, जिसके, किसका, किसकी, किसके, ठीक है, किनका, किनकी, किनके, जिनका, जिनकी, जिनके. Here are 12 meanings of this word. So Gautam is my fast friend, his father is a teacher. Answer will be here. Now we will use adjective clause. Here we have used their noun clause. Which clause? Noun clause. Now in this sentence we will use adjective clause. Gautam, whose father? Now this is the word whose, which is relative pronoun, has been connected with this noun, and it defines the characteristic of this the noun Gautam. Okay, it represents the characteristics of this noun Gautam. Gautam, whose father is a teacher, comma, is my friend, is my fast friend, friend, F-R-I-E-N-D. Okay, bete. So now here we have used here which tense? Adjective clause. Okay, adjective clause. Okay, and I would like to give some exercises in the next lecture also, so that you can solve them. Kapil does not feel well, he will have to take medicines. कपिल अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रहा है, उसको दवाइयाँ लेनी पड़ेंगी. तो कपिल तब तक अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर सकता है, नहीं करेगा जब तक कि वो दवाइयाँ नहीं लेगा. और यदि से भी लगा सकते हो, इफ कपिल डज नॉट टेक मेडिसिन ही विल नॉट फील वेल. सो कपिल कैन नॉट. नाउ विल हैव टू चेंज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. दिस द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज टू बी चेंज्ड इनटू कैन नॉट. कपिल कैन नॉट फील वेल or will not feel well until or unless he takes medicines. Okay, means मैंने आपको बताया था, here we have used here adverbial clauses of which condition? Adverbial clauses of condition. We have used here adverbial clauses of condition. Next is here Sarla sang a sweet song, she was given a prize. सरला ने एक मधुर गाना गाया, उसको इनाम दी गई. सरला जिसने एक मधुर गाना गाया उसको इनाम दी गई, या सरला जिसको एक इनाम दी गई उसने मधुर गाना गाया. तो here you can use again adjective clause. You will use here adjective clause. Sarla who sang a sweet song was given a prize. Now you can use here because also, and in this case your answer will be considered correct. Sarla was given a prize because she sang a sweet song. Now you can also connect, you can also use here the adverb clause, okay, of reason. You are a science student, everybody knows about you. Now in this statement how will you change? Can you tell me? Beta, you will write your answer here. Everybody knows, प्रत्येक व्यक्ति जानता है. That, now this okay, symbolizes the noun clause. Everybody knows that. Noun clause is also known as the that clause. Everybody knows that you are a sincere student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. So my dear students, these are the 5 sentences I think have been the part of your knowledge, and you have understood how we have changed here these all the sentences into complex one. Here, as we can see here are 2 statements, okay, and these are 2 statements are to be combined using the suitable clauses. So I think now I should give you some exercises. I would like to give you the assignments, unsolved practice assignments, okay, later. First of all, I would also like to give you here one or 2 more examples, so that you can also keep yourself fully satisfied. Okay, here will be the 6th statement. I would like to write the 6th statement for you. Okay, Anuj, okay, knows you well. I know Anuj. I know Anuj very well. But how would you like to convert these 2 statements into single one? देखो, अनुज तुम्हें अच्छी तरह जानता है, मैं अनुज को बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ. So answer will be here देखो दो तरह से इसका आंसर बना, एक तरह से इसका आंसर ये बनेगा, अनुज जिसको मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ तुम्हें भी जानता है। तो हाउ वुड यू लाइक टू ट्रांसफॉर्म हियर, अनुज होम आई नो वेरी वेल knows you also, he knows you well। अनुज जिसको मैं, now here we have used here adjective clause, which clause, adjective clause, adjective clause बेटे, okay। Now the next statement would be here for you, very simple statement, what are you doing now, can you tell me? So now this the statement is to be placed first, so answer will be here, can you tell me, okay, what you are doing now, and sign of interrogation. So here we have used here noun clause, which clause, noun clause, okay, because this the part works as a noun clause. Before this word we don't have any noun here, because this the word also works as a noun here. So when we don't find any other noun before such kind of words, WH related words, it means we have used here the noun clause. So इस प्रकार की जो भी स्टेटमेंट आपको मिलती है, उन स्टेटमेंट्स को आप खुद अपने पार्ट पर बना के देखना, मैं आपको असाइनमेंट दूंगा और आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी, ओके बेटे। सो नाउ कीप योर सेल्फ फुली connected to your studies, and whatever you have learnt from my lectures, kindly note them down in your notebooks and revise them regularly. Thank you bete.